Hey, welcome to Algebra 1 CST release question number 10. It says which equation is equivalent to, and we got this whole thing, 4, I'm going to rewrite it down here so I can work with it. 4 times the quantity 2 minus 5x equals 6 minus 3 times the quantity 1 minus 3x. And notice, just like in the previous problem, the previous video, number 9, we have a distributive property example here. And we also have one where we're not solving completely for x, we're just finding which one it's equivalent to, or meaning it's meaning the same thing as. So if we take this and try to distribute first, that's going to be a good first step. And so notice here again, just like number 9, they're trying to trick you a little bit. Don't forget to distribute that negative sign through to both parts on this side. And so we have 4 times 2, that's 8. 4 times negative 5 is negative 20. This is going to equal 6 minus 3 plus 3 times 3 is 9. I have negative times a negative makes positive, and I have 9x over there. Does that look like one of our answers? Well, no, not yet. Looks like we got to get the x's on one side, on the left side specifically, and the regular numbers on the other side. So let's combine like terms here first. I can put these two things together. They're plain old numbers, so I'm going to put those together first. I'll have 8 minus 20x equals, this would be 3. I was almost going to write 9. That would be 3. Make that look a little nicer. 6 minus 3 is 9 plus 9x. And so I'm going to get, I like to keep things positive as much as possible, so I'm going to get the x's together over here. I'm going to add 20x to both sides, and that'll cancel out here and here. I might as well, you could do this in 2 steps, but I might as well do this now and get the regular numbers on the left side. So the constant terms going on the left side in this case, I have got 5 equals 29x. Now did I have to do it that way? No, I could have subtracted 9x and then subtracted 8 from both sides, and I would have gotten negative 29x equals negative 5. Then I could have divided by negative 1 to get positive 5 equals positive 29x. But this right here is our answer. It looks just like one of these up here, except you just flip-flop the things, which is totally fine. If something equals something in this way, the left side and the right side, we can flip-flop those things and say the right side comes first equals the left side comes second. This is an equivalent way to say the same thing there. So we solve this to this point. Yeah, we would divide by 29 to get that x equals 5 over 29 if you had to solve for x, but that's not what we're asked to do here. We're just asked to find which one it's equivalent to, and clearly now the correct answer for number 10 is choice C.